So I unbox the parts. This is the main board, the Asus Prime B360 Plus 5X. We got a Core i5 processor, Coffee Lake, 6 cores, Intel Turbo Boost. Our RAM is the Corsair Vengeance, two 8GB sticks, dual channel. The graphics card is the GeForce GTX 1050 Ti, 4GB GDDR5 RAM. The power supply is an FK 500 watt, 80 plus certified power supply. And yeah, it's pretty middle spec setup, I'd say. Nothing too high, but rather normal. Why I choose this board is because, yeah, mainly it has 6 SATA 6GB slots and a couple other interesting specs, like all these parts do. It has 2 USB 3.1 Gen 1 and 2 USB 3.1 Gen 2. Yeah, we will first open the board, then the processor, then mount the processor on it, then the PSU, then we'll install the graphics cards, the RAM, and then we'll boot it up, and we'll use an 500GB SSD. And yeah, let's get started with it. I will use the stock cooler, because this is not the K version, so I don't plan to overclock, and besides I don't have the right motherboard for it, but I already hadn't planned to overclock it, so I guess the 6 cores at 2.8 GHz will be plenty enough for me, at least for now. And well, see you at the second boot, where we open the packages and install all the components. Thank you. Bye.